everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review the first box of year 2020 and this is Lady Raga. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all is there. First of all, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555 and they have longer subscriptions as well. Plus they have some other options as well. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So you can go to the description box, click on the link and check the options. Now let's quickly start with the first box, bag, whatever you want to say, of year 2020. So this is the pretty bag which I've got, and this month you have choices for 3 products. Not exactly 3 choices for product, but 2 choices for product, and third one is for bag. So you can select the bag as per your choice. Plus you can select 2 other products. Let me show you what I have chosen. So first is this bag. You have seen this bag. It's pretty good. I like this gold one. I already have one gold bag, one or maybe 2 gold bag, I guess. And I like this quality, and these pouches are quite useful. You can just keep your makeup, your medicines, your accessories. I mean anything. So quite useful bag. And then let's start with this. This is the info sheet, info card, whatever you want to call it. And it says New Year gift. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by NELF USA. It's a velvet touch lipstick. And yes, you have choices for the lipstick. I have chosen the color 17. And let me show you the color. This is how it looks. And once you the color number is 17. And let me open it and show you the color. This is the color. As I've told you earlier also that I like dark colors in winters. So that's why it's a bit dark, you can say. This is the shade. But it's like nudish plus some brownish kind of a shade. Yes, I like it. 240 is the price. Yes, 240 is the price. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is by Benouche. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And this one is a body and face polisher Upton. The price for this one is 160 rupees. And this is how it looks. The manufacture of November 2019, best before November 2021. 50 gram is the quantity. Price I've told you, 160 is the price. And this product is cruelty free and vegan. And now it says this dry body and face polish instantly brings luxury to mind. Enriched with chandan, magista, haldi, kesar and kadar, this herbal composition is an age-old traditional luxury bathing rituals in India. Instant glow and cleanse. Upton is a herbal formula which ensure both inner and outer beauty because of the magical property of its ingredients. So ingredient list looks quite nice, quite promising, I would say. So yes, I'm looking forward to use this. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by Monsub and this is a gold eye mask. This is the one I have already used it and I know many of you must have used it. It's quite nice. 100 rupees is the price and this is just perfect for your tired eyes and all that. So yes, happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one are these beautiful earrings. These are the one. The price for these are 200 and let me open it and show you. So these are the earrings. Let me just wear both of these and show you the look. Pretty. And they are like plain silver. So quite safe, I would say. No, I can see some pink color here. So yes, I love pink. And yes, they are pretty beautiful. Yes, I like it. 200 is the price. Now, the next one is by Plush. It's a handmade gel and you have options in this. You have two different options in this. So first one is this rose gel which I have chosen. And this is a handmade rose gel. This is how it looks. And the fragrance is exactly like rose. So yes, and it's a handmade gel. So yes, I'm looking forward for this one. The ingredients are quite interesting. This has rose water, rose oil and rose powder. So this gel is all about rose. So yes, I am definitely going to use it. The price for this one is 240. Manufacture of 10th November 2019. Expiry is May 2020. And now I'm left with the New Year gift, which is this, which I can make out by looking at this, that it has a pencil, a kajal, a lip pencil or a kajal pencil. So let's open it and see what it has. Okay, so it has kajal by Ellen Blue. This is how it looks. It's a black color kajal. Yes. Yay, I'm happy. It's a gift and it's a New Year gift. So it's quite special. Thank you, Lady Raga, for this one. And that's all what I've received in my Lady Raga for January month. And yes, if you ask me, I quite like it because this time you have two different choices for your product, plus you have choices for your bag as well. So in total, 3 choices. And yeah, the gold mask is nice. The lipstick is quite useful. Then the gift is nice. Then the rose gel, of course, it's nice. Then the Upton is nice. So I think overall everything is nice. I like it. And I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So yeah, that's all for today. And yes, before ending the video, let me wish you guys Happy New Year. And that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.